Hey there, coding comrades. Buckle up because today we are diving into the fabulous world of Flutter to create a side floating action button that's so sleek even James Bond would be jealous. Seriously, our button has more style than a penguin wedding down a red carpet. So grab your coding caps and let's embark on this beautiful epic journey together. And if you want to follow the written tutorial, then don't worry. I'll provide the link in the description and in pinned comment. So first thing first, fire up a new Flutter project and don't stress too much about the name. I'm calling mine side floating button because creativity knows no bounds. Once your project is cooked up, saunter over to the main.dart file, wave a goodbye to my homepage because let's be real, it's time for a change. Say hello to our new sidekick, side floating action button. And now let's come up here and remove this my homepage and paste it here side floating button and remove all the comment and title because our side floating action button class not going to accept anything. And I'm opening a simulator for testing the app. You can open anything you want. Now here remove this container and add a scaffold. And now inside this scaffold give it a body parameter and here give it a empty container because we are not going to show anything in the body part. And now here create a app bar and for the app bar give it a title. Let's name it as side button and wrap it inside a text widget because the title is text widget. And here throw a central title property as true. Now here create a floating action button and use this floating action button class and inside child give it a icon and here create a on pressed method because if we don't do this method then it will show an error. And now let's give it a position for side floating action button and here I'm giving it a center float. So select center float from the option and hit enter. Now let's run the program. And as you can see we have our side floating button in the center, but we cannot move it to the center left or center right because if you type anything left or right regarding that then we cannot see any option for the center left float or let's say center right float. So you may ask how we can do that. I have showed you in the beginning of this video. So for doing that let's remove all this and come to your pubspec.yaml file and here we need to add this fab circular menu dependency. So let's install it by copying this thing and pasting into the pubspec.yaml file and here click on pubget so that it will get all the dependency. And after that come to this readme section and here this section is not much useful, so come to this example section. So inside this example copy the whole this floating action button thing till down here and let's move our code. Let's move to code and remove this and paste your copied thing. And I have copied one extra bracket so I'm removing that and copy this snack bar method also so that we can show a snack bar when a user tap onto the floating action button. And here we need to print the message, so remove this thing and here just add the $sign for the message and remove the const from here. And now we have a fab key error, so again come to the documentation and copy this global key variable and paste it into our code paste it here and now import the fab circular menu state dependency. And now what else we have this primary color error, so copy this from the documentation and let's paste it here. No, we need to give a context, so we need to put inside the build method. So I guess we have done. No, we have one more error. So just add here a null checker, because yeah, it's done. Now let's tap onto this button. Okay, we can see our button, but it's not visible much. So here in the scaffold, give it a background color as black so that we can see. And now you can see we have the animating floating button. But now you may ask how to move its position. So for moving its position, we need to give the alignment here, and let's give it a right float, center right, sorry. And now you can see we have the center floating action button in the center right of the screen. Now if you watch this video till here, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and comment down what you like or what you not liked. And don't forget to read the documentation.